This is one of the most valuable videos I have ever made. I will show you how to make $1,000 per month in your free time, and you can do it absolutely from anywhere in the world. This opportunity has just started to emerge because of a new technology called artificial intelligence. Let me explain. For many years, people were not able to create websites because they didn't know how to code. But with the invention of website builders such as Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress, people can now create beautiful websites within minutes. And guess what? We are seeing the same thing happening right now with artificial intelligence. Everyone can use it to make thousands of dollars online. The best part is, you don't even need any experience to get started. You can start making money from day one. It doesn't matter if you're young or old. This opportunity is open to everyone. In this video, I will share with you everything you need to know about how to take advantage of this brand new opportunity. So watch the video until the end, so you don't miss any important information. Also, guys, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this for free. Now let's get back to the video. I recently published a book on Amazon called AI Money Machines, How to Build a 1,000-Month Side Income Using Free AI Tools. In this book, I reveal a step-by-step system that anyone can use to build a solid passive income stream using artificial intelligence tools. I am telling you guys, there is no other opportunity out there that can come close to this one. But why? Because this is a completely new field. There is a lot of competition when it comes to drop shipping, freelancing, and affiliate marketing. But AI is still a completely new area, and you can take advantage of it before the market gets saturated. That means you will be able to make much more money when you start. Plus, artificial intelligence tools are getting better every single day. Just imagine what will happen when these tools become even more powerful. You will be able to make even more money. The reason why I wrote this book is to help people who struggle financially. You see, when I was 18 years old, I was homeless and hopeless. I had no idea how to make money online. I tried so many different things but failed over and over again. It wasn't until I discovered a mentor who took me under his wing that I was finally able to make my first $1 million online. After I became successful myself, I promised myself I would help others achieve financial freedom as well. That is why I wrote this book. I want to help you become successful without having to go through all the struggles that I had to go through myself. And let me tell you something, the system I share with you in this book works. I've tested it myself, and it brings in over $3,000 in passive income each and every month. And I'm not the only one. There are already many people around the world who are making thousands of dollars each and every month using this method. So what are you waiting for? You can get the book for free by clicking the link in the description box below. Now let me explain everything about this amazing opportunity. There are 3 main reasons why this opportunity is so lucrative. Number 1, AI tools are extremely powerful. With AI, you can generate images, create videos, write articles, generate ideas, and much more. Number 2, the demand for AI services is huge. People don't know how to use AI tools yet, so there is a massive demand for people who can help them. And number 3, the competition is still low. Very few people know about this opportunity, and there is not much competition, so you will be able to make a lot of money. To take advantage of this opportunity, you need to learn how to use ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other AI tools. You don't need to become an expert. You just need to learn the basics. And the good news is that you can learn everything you need to know for free. There are so many free resources available online. Once you know how to use these tools, you can offer your services on various platforms. The best place to start is Fiverr. Fiverr is a marketplace where people buy and sell various services. You can offer your AI-related services on Fiverr and charge anywhere from $5,000 to $1,000 per project. The more experience you gain, the more you will be able to charge. For example, you can start by offering image generation services for $5 to $20. Then you can move on to video generation services and charge up to $1,000 per video. And guess what? You can do all of this from the comfort of your own home. You don't need to invest any money and you don't need any experience. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. I know some of you might be thinking, but what if I don't speak English very well? Or what if I don't have a computer or an internet connection? Well, I've thought of that too. That's why I created a special bonus for you. In my book, I share with you a way to generate images and videos using AI without even knowing how to use ChatGPT. Yes, you heard that right. You can do it even if you don't know how to use ChatGPT. You can simply use your phone to generate images and videos using AI. And if you don't have an internet connection, you can use your phone to connect to public Wi-Fi. I know it might sound unbelievable, but it's true. I've done it myself and so have many other people. Now let me share with you a little secret. What I'm about to tell you now is only for those who are serious about making money with AI. If you're not interested, you can stop watching this video now. Are you still with me? Good. Listen carefully. Most people think that to make money with AI, you need to have a lot of time on your hands. That's not true. You can make a lot of money with AI in just a few hours per week. For example, let's say you can generate 5 high-quality AI images per day. If you charge just $20 for each image, you'll be able to make $100 per day. And if you do this just 3 days per week, you'll make $300 per week. And if you maintain this pace, you'll be able to make over $1,000 per month. And that's just one example. There are many other ways to make money with AI. One of the best things about making money with AI is that you can do it at your own pace. You can work as much or as little as you want. You can start with just a few hours per week and gradually increase your hours. And here's another great thing. You can do this for as long as you want. There is no time limit. You can keep doing this for years and keep making money. And the best part is that you can do this from anywhere in the world. You don't need to live in a big city. You can do this from your home or from wherever you want. You just need a computer or a phone and an internet connection. And as I said before, you don't need to spend any money to get started. Everything you need is available for free. You can use free AI tools to generate images and videos. And if you don't have an internet connection, you can use public Wi-Fi. And now, let me share with you a very important tip. If you really want to succeed, you need to focus on learning new skills. Don't waste time trying to do things that are not working. And don't be afraid to experiment. Try new things and see what works best for you. And most importantly, never, ever give up. I know it might seem difficult at first, but trust me, if you keep trying, you will succeed. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this for free. And if you want to learn more about how to make money with AI, click the link in the description box below and get my free book. AI Money Machines, How to Build a 1,000-Month Side Income Using Free AI Tools. Thank you for watching, and until next time.